Real estate proration math. The step-by-step method for any proration problem. The 5-step proration method. Step 1. Find the annual amount, taxes, HOA dues, etc. Step 2. Calculate the daily rate, annual divided by 360 or 365. Step 3. Count the days for the proration period. Step 4. Multiply daily rate times number of days arrears versus advance proration. Paid in arrears, taxes paid after the period they cover, seller used the property, owes for their time. Paid in advance, HOA, rent dues paid before the period they cover, buyer gets the benefit of what seller already paid. Question 1 of 3. Annual property taxes are $6,000. The property closes on March 1st. Seller owes buyer a proration for January and February, 60 days. Using a 360-day year, what does the seller owe? Option A, $1,500. Option B, $2,000. Option C, $1,750. Option D, $1,250. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, $1,500. Daily rate equals $6,000/360 equals $16.67 per day. Days seller occupied, Jan, 30, plus February, 30, equals 60 days. Proration equals $16.67 times 60 equals $1,000. Using 365, $6,000/365 times 59 equals $969. Standard exam uses 360-day year, 30-day months. Question 2 of 3. A seller prepaid annual HOA dues of $2,400. Closing is July 1st, halfway through the year. How much does the buyer owe the seller for unused HOA dues? Option A, $1,800. Option B, $2,400. Option C, $3,600. Option D, $1,200. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, $1,800. Prepaid HOA, seller paid for full year. Buyer gets the remaining 6 months. Monthly rate equals $2,400/12 equals $200. Buyer owes seller for 6 months of unused dues that seller prepaid. 6 times $200 equals $1,200. Wait, buyer owes seller $1,200. Question 3 of 3. At closing, property taxes were paid in advance by the seller. The proration entry on the settlement statement is, Option A, debit seller, credit buyer. Option B, credit seller, debit buyer. Option C, debit both parties. Option D, credit both parties. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, credit seller, debit buyer. When the seller prepaid taxes covering the buyer's period, the buyer must reimburse. Seller gets a credit, reimbursement. Buyer gets a debit, charge. If seller owes buyer, credit buyer, debit seller. You scored 2 out of 3. Proration is math-heavy but formulaic. Memorize the 5 steps and you can solve any proration problem on the exam.